everyone, welcome to Odisha Post Live. This is Baishakhi. Let's take a look at today's headlines. Authorities of the Sri Jagannath Medical College in Puri have lodged Monday a complaint with the police after a first-year MBBS student alleged ragging by seniors. He alleged that seniors had forcibly shaved off his beard and misbehaved with him. Police said they are investigating the matter and are interrogating some of the seniors. Former Block Development Officer of Narayanpatna in Koraput district, Ramesh Chandra Sahu was arrested Monday in New Delhi by a team of Odisha police personnel. Sahu had been evading arrest for the last 8 years and is allegedly involved in 7 cases of corruption. Police arrested Monday a woman and her daughter for attacking a team of cops who had gone to arrest a proclaimed offender from Purushottamapur village of Anantapur Panchayat under Soro police limits in Baleswar district. The two, identified as Manjulata Malik and Priyanka Priyadarshini Malik, had attacked policemen when they had gone to nab Bansidhar Malik. Resentment is brewing among the Congress leaders in Odisha after no one found a place in the revamped 39-member working committee announced Sunday by party president Mallikarjun Kharge. OPCC President Sharad Patnaik said Monday that it would have been good if 2 to 3 leaders from Odisha were included in the Congress working committee, while others termed the development as grave injustice. Police recovered Monday that bodies of a woman and her son from a house at Onugulapada locality in Sambalpur town. The deceased have been identified as Josna Rani Das and Sudhir Panda. Police said that the two had probably died by suicide. With only a few hours remaining for Vikram to touch down on the surface of the moon, ISRO said in a tweet Monday that the lander has established communication with the orbiter of the mission's predecessor. Though the lander of Chandrayaan-2 was lost, the orbiter is currently in a 100-kilometer zone around the moon. Welcome buddy are the words used by the orbiter of Chandrayaan-2 to welcome the Chandrayaan-3 lander, ISRO said. "17 persons from Punjab and Haryana who were being held captive by an armed group at Zwara city in Libya after being trafficked from India were Sunday successfully evacuated and brought back to New Delhi Sunday night," sources said Monday. The notice issued for the auctioning of actor and MP Sunny Deol's bungalow has been withdrawn by Bank of Baroda. The actor allegedly owes Rs 56 crore to the bank. The bank issued a correspondence Monday withdrawing the notice and citing a technical glitch. The bank also said that the borrower has approached it for settling the dues. Delhi Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party National Convener Arvind Kejriwal said Monday he will attend the meeting of the Opposition Alliance scheduled to be held August 31st and September 1 in Mumbai. "We'll go to Mumbai, we'll share with you the outcome," Kejriwal told reporters in New Delhi. Incidentally, this will be the third meeting of the India bloc. A senior Delhi government official accused of raping a minor several times and impregnating her and his wife were detained and questioned Monday, officials said. The statement of the minor is also being recorded, they said. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has ordered the suspension of the officer, a deputy director of the Women and Child Development Department. KL Rahul and Shreyas Iyer were on Monday named in India's squad for the Asia Cup beginning August 31st, while highly rated young batter Tilak Verma earned a maiden call-up to the one-day format. Iyer had last played for India in March and Rahul in May. However, Rahul is carrying a niggle for which Sanju Samson has been kept in the squad, Chief Selector Ajit Agarkar told reporters Monday. India opened their campaign September 2 against Pakistan. That's all for the headlines. Stay tuned to Orissa Post Live for more such updates.